Did you know Jamaica was once home to the most wicked city on earth? Welcome to the tale of Port Royal, the pirate haven that met a watery doom. In the 17th century, Port Royal was the heartbeat of piracy and plunder, buzzing with life and lawlessness. A city of untold riches, it was a sanctuary for the world's most fearsome pirates, thriving on looted treasures and bustling trade. But its glory was short-lived. If tales of treasure and tragedy hook you, hit that subscribe button. Let's dive deeper into history together. Then, in 1692, disaster struck. A massive earthquake sent much of Port Royal sinking into the sea, marking a sudden end to its reign of infamy. The wickedest city on earth was no longer swallowed by the waves it once ruled. Bonus fact: despite its rich history, Port Royal isn't a major tourist hotspot today. Why? What's your view? Tell us in the comments section below. Remember, every sunken treasure has a story, and Port Royal's is one of the most captivating. Thanks for watching.